Hello, darling. How are you? Oh, yeah, me too. I'm fine. Yeah, yeah. I dream you yesternight. Yeah, because I love you. Then, do you love me or not? Ah, if you don't love me, me too. I don't love you too. Okay. One going, 10 coming. So what? Huh? Of course. Why not? Ah, since the first time, you already told me you love me so much, but nowadays, why you do me like that? But I don't mind. As long as I lived in low sea, in Duslan, I never love you, never, never, never again. Okay? Do you understand? Yeah. Let me see. In the next time. Always I remember you. Always I dream for you. Always I want to kiss you. Always I miss you. But it is useless. But one day you will cry for me. Do you understand? But you don't get me anymore. But I never love you and I never come back to you. Okay. Bye. Goodbye. Cheating wife.